What's up, good people? Good evening, afternoon. I think it's probably about, it's probably about 7. Honestly. So I'm out here at Lasco Park with my son, just chilling. Show y'all right quick. That's him over there. Watching him do his thing while I'm letting this foot heal from this surgery, this deep vein, DVT, deep vein. Yeah, so I just want to make a quick video right quick. I'm out here just chilling. I want to say something about the healthcare industry in America. You know something, man? Thank God for Obamacare. Man, fuck Trump. Fuck his whole administration, man. Obamacare, one of the best things that ever happened to this fucking country, man. I'm serious, man. You know what I'm saying? That's one of the best accomplishments in this country, man, because I'm going to tell you, all these doctor visits I done had to make, I think I done came out the pocket probably about 30 bucks. You know what I'm saying? With that's seeing specialists and everything like that. Now, it's a few things they billing you for that has kind of been in excess that they had to do certain tests. More than normal emergency room visits, so that's expected. You know what I'm saying? But outside of that, man, a lot of these doctors, I'm gonna say 1 out of every 3 doctors. Nah, I'm gonna say 1 out of every 10 doctors, or let's give them 2. 2 out of every 10 doctors is legit, I'm gonna say. But the other 8, man, they full of shit. They ruthless. They heartless. They heartless as the dope dealers they are. You know what I'm saying? I remember seeing dope boys that was heartless at sometimes growing up. You know what I'm saying? But I seen some dope boys that had some compassion too. I mean, you know, all of them push them pills. You know what I'm saying? None of them really cure anything except for, I'll give it to the holistic doctors, because there's quite a few of them out there. So I guess I would have to up that number some. But the American healthcare system, man, is so corrupt. I would say it's worse than the insurance industry. Because let me tell you, when you go into a doctor's office, man, they don't want to hear shit you got to say. What I didn't realize is that they're on the clock. Okay, so when they come in your room, they clocking that shit. They watching it. And they got a certain amount of time to see a certain amount of patients. Okay, so they can't really sit in there and listen to you too tough. So don't expect them to get a full scope of what's going on with your case. The best thing I can tell you, man, is to go in there with some prepared questions, okay, that you can ask the doctor straight up. You know what I'm saying? Get him to answer them and look you in the eye. And if it's something you need documented, you have him document that, or have his receptionist or his nurse or whoever's gonna check you out for the day document that shit, bro. Because let me tell you something. The healthcare industry, man, let me tell you, they prescribed me some shit yesterday. Now I'm already on a blood thinner due to this surgery. They gave me oxycodone. They gave me pregabalin, something shit called Lyrica for nerve pain. They gave me a baby aspirin, another blood pressure medicine, my regular blood pressure medicine, Tylenol, another thing of oxycodone, gabapentin. It's like, man, bro, these are some pills. These motherfuckers will give you a pill for a pill. It's like they got a pill that you have to take with a pill. They got a pill that supports that pill you taking. Like, fuck out of here, man. And then the last thing that the lady offered me was a pill called, I want to say it's avorvastatin. Avorvastatin. Yeah, man. And the side effects to avorvastatin are atrocious. Let me tell you, it's everything from muscle deterioration, joint aches, pains, brain fog, man, you name it, you got it in this one pill. And then they say, if you experience any of this, which everything I read was so debilitating, man, you so sluggish you can't even get out of bed to use the bathroom, bro. Like, straight up. Why would they give you something like this? Because what the receptionist or nurse or whoever she was did called me today to see if I filled that prescription. That's why she called me. You know what? And I thought about that. She really wasn't worried about whether I got started on the pill. That's her meeting her drug pushing quota. So she have the receptionist or the nurse or the medical assistant or whoever make that call to see if you filled that prescription. Because that's one more notch. That's one more brick she done pushed out the door. If what have you. Let's use that terminology. That's one more unit she done pushed out the door. Let me tell you, man, these people are dope boys, dope girls in disguise, man. That's what they do. They don't cure shit, man. Only thing I've seen them do, other than this surgery. Now, they will do surgery now, don't get me wrong. There are some good uses for the healthcare industry. If I break my leg, if I break my arm, any emergency like a, let me tell you, that's when the healthcare industry can be used, I guess, properly. They have to act. They have to act. By law, they have to act to save your life. So if you show up with something life-threatening, you might want the healthcare industry to step in. If you show up with symptoms that are not life-threatening yet, but that could be life-threatening, shit, boy. And it's only a matter of time for they give you enough pills to push that shit smooth across the edge, and then you end up with all kind of problems you didn't even have before you showed up at their damn office. So you remember that. This Diesel vision here, y'all. Giving y'all the vision to power through life. Don't fall for that okie doke, and don't trust this healthcare system. And don't let Trump and his crew make you think that Obamacare is some bad shit. Because that shit really got me through, man. Straight up. You talking to an everyday person that just want to live and take care of his kid. You know what I'm saying? My daughters are grown, but I still take care of them in other ways too. You know what I'm saying? And they take care of me too. So guard your grill, watch your neck, protect your neck. You feel me? Don't fall for this shit, bro. These people do not care about you. You have to take your health in your own hands. Believe me, brother. Diesel vision here, right, y'all? Check on my little man. Diesel vision, giving y'all the vision to power through life. Hit that like button, subscribe. Peace. I'll be having more videos talking about this corrupt ass country coming up soon. Peace.